Hello class, we are going to continue to the concept of chapter 11. Um, Today I'm going to explain static member functions. Alright, so you supposed to download this Word file. So after you download this Word file, I ask you open it out right now. Static member function. In previous question we talked about static member variable. A static member function is a special member function, which use it to access only static data members. So if you are going to access only static data members, you have to use static function. In the 11.2, we did not. We have the function was access both the class variable and static variable. We did not access only static variable, so we get by for that. So you can access static member function by this syntax. Static member function usually used to work with static member variable like we did it before. So in fact, member function that do not access any non-static member of their class, such as get corp budget. So from the 11.2, that one should make it to static if we did not do the division budget. So for this program, we modify the previous one. And you will notice that this one, we have a main office budget request. And this main office budget request, we will make it before any division request, because static member function need to make it before. You can make it before any instant object. And this function adds the main office function adds its argument to the static core budget variable. It's called before. Again, it's called before any instant of the budget class is defined. Let's take a look from the Visual Studio. From the Visual Studio, I ask you to upload the three files. One is budget 2, CPP budget 2, header file, and 11.3. Let's run this file with you right now. So I'm going to build it. When I run this program, okay, let's take a look right now. When I run this program, so it will ask me, the static variable will be put before. So right now, let me put like my the main office budget. Let's put like $5,000, okay? And the first division is 1,000. The second one is 1,000, and 1,000 again, and 1,000 again. So right now, the total is 9,000. Let's take a look at this program right now. Let's take a look at this program. Okay, first let's go to the header file right here. Now you notice I have a static double that was like your previous program, but this one I have this right now. The get corporate budget I become static right now because I am going to deal with the static variable. And also main office. I also want to deal with the static. So I have two static methods. The reason is these two methods deal with static variable. Get corp budget. The definition right here, because it's one line. It's called inline programming. It's one line. Let's take a look the CPP file. All right. So at the CPP file here, my main office here will be accumulated into here. Okay, that's my definition for my main office static method. Let's take a look at the main program. On the main program here, all right, so I have entered the main office budget request as I add here, and I call this. See, I call the static method first. Once I call this, then I'm going to enter the budget request for everyone. Then I'm going to display them. Okay, so one more time, let me build it, rebuild it. Okay, and start without debugging. So again, if I have $5,000 and 1,000 for each one. All right, so this is a static methods. All right, static method. Let's review it right now. Okay, so there are the question here. What member function cannot access any non-static members variable? All right, so a static then a static method cannot access non-static method. Okay, then let's do the second one. A static method function may be called before. We usually call that before. Oh, this is non-static. Non-static member function cannot access non-static. So only static method function can access static members. So that is the concept for this second one, static member function. I hope you enjoy the video.